I'm Sara, and this is Yogi. I'm an artist. I'm the mother of 5 and 2 incredibly adorable Wheaten Terriers. I was hanging out in my studio one day, creating charms, and I did this great charm of all my boys, and I didn't know what to do with it. And Yogi barked, and I put it on his collar, and I was like, this is perfect. And that's how dog collar charms started. So I took Yogi to the dog park, and everybody started flipping out over his charm. And that's how I decided to make them available to everybody. They look great. My teams made it so easy to order. I just love this product.